Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to delete an account in Facebook Messenger application. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. And come on friends, let's get started. Open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. After that, at the top, tap on the three bars. Next, tap on the gear to go to Settings. Now you need to swipe to the very bottom. Here you will see the Meta Account Center. You'll need to open it. Go to it. To do that, you can click right here. Now select your personal details, then go to this very last option right here. Then select Deactivate or Delete. And now you'll need to select your Facebook page. Why Facebook? Because the only option to delete your Messenger account is to delete your Facebook page that is associated with it. So, select the Facebook page. After that, you'll need to switch to Delete Account because as you can see, it's automatically set to deactivate the account. So after when you choose to delete the account, click Continue. Scroll down, click Continue. On the next page, you have to choose the reason why you have decided to delete the Facebook account. But this is not really very important. So you can choose any option you want. I, for example, will choose the one that first takes a lot of time on Facebook. And continue to continue. Next to continue. Now scroll to the very bottom on this page and also click Continue. Now on the next page, friends, you're going to need to enter your Facebook password. As you can see, I'm going to do that automatically. And then also click Continue. And you will be taken to this page right here. This will be the very last page to delete your account. And you'll just need to confirm the deletion by clicking Delete Account. But keep in mind that your Facebook and Messenger account will not be deleted immediately, but will be deactivated for 30 days. If you don't log into your Facebook account again within these 30 days, your Facebook and Messenger account will be deleted. This is how you can delete your account in the Facebook Messenger app. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. See you friends.